Hi, welcome to Unix Academy. This is Jyoti. In this video, we will go through upgrading our cluster from version 1.13.5 to 1.14.1. Upgrading the Kubernetes cluster, upgrading using KubeADM. We can upgrade KubeADM and then use it to upgrade the kube controller, kube scheduler and kubelet in the correct order. KubeADM allows us to upgrade our cluster components in the proper order, making sure to include important feature upgrades we might want to take advantage of in the latest stable version of Kubernetes. Before you begin, you need to have a KubeADM Kubernetes cluster running version 1.14.1. Swap must be disabled. The cluster should use a static control panel and etcd pods or external etcd. Make sure you read the release notes carefully. Make sure to back up any important components such as app level state stored in a database. KubeADM upgrade does not touch your workloads, only components internal to Kubernetes, but backups are always a best practice. And additional information, all containers are restarted after upgrade because the container spec hash value is changed. You only can upgrade from one minor version to the next minor version. First we will check the version of the API server. kubectl get nodes. It will show the version of the API server. You can see I am using 3 node cluster here. You can see the one master and 2 nodes. You can see here version of all the 3 nodes contains v1.13.5 version. All versions are equal. Then we can give the kubectl version --short. This command will show the client version and server version. Client version means kubectl command line interface version v1.13.5 and server version v1.13.12. Now we can see with kubectl describe nodes. All nodes are running on the cluster. It will show the all versions. We can see kubelet version, kubeproxy version v1.13.5 for the node, one node and one more node. Also v1.13.5 kubelet and kubeproxy version. This is another node information. You can see the another node number is changed here, and you can see one more node version, kubelet version and kubeproxy version are same. This is another node, maybe it is a master node. That's all. Now we got the kubelet version and kube API version and kubectl version, kubeproxy version also, and one another way is there we can get in that way also. Kubelet version command was kubectl. What is command? Kubectl get pods -n namespace cube system, cube -system This is the default namespace in Kubernetes cluster. Here you can see the Kube controller manager version, Kube controller manager, and Kube scheduler. I can select this Kube controller. I selected the Kube-controller manager on the kubectl get pods -n kube system node kube system command. I will give the kubectl get pods this selected controller manager pod. Then I will give the -o yaml -n namespace. We should provide always system. It will show this command will display the image Kube controller manager v1.13.12 here. Then we can check the scheduler pod also in this same way. I will give the kubectl get pods -n kube system command. I will take the kube scheduler pod. I will select here. Then I will give the same command which is sometime before I used. I will paste here. Then I will check it. Here you can see the version of a kube scheduler. Check these ones, version of the kube scheduler. In two ways, we can check the kube scheduler and kube controller version. That is kube describe command and kube get pod scheduler name and schedule controller name commands. Kube get pods command also we need to use here. Now I will release the hold on versions of kube ADM and kubelet. Command was sudo apt-mark and hold kube ADM and kubelet. Cancelled hold on kube ADM and kubelet. Now I will install the sudo apt install -y kube ADM equal to 1.14.1 -00. This is the command to install kube ADM version of 1.14.1. Here you can observe the unpacking kube ADM 1.14.1 over 1.13.1 from last to second line. Setting up kube ADM 1.14.1 is perfectly installed. Now I am going to give the command to hold the version of kube ADM at 1.14.1. For cubes, sudo apt-mark hold a kube ADM is the command to hold the latest version. Kube ADM set as a hold. Now I will verify the kube ADM version. Kube ADM version is a command. You can see kube ADM version. Here git version v1.14.1 git commit and major and minor numbers. Now we should plan the upgrade of all the controller components. Now we'll give the command sudo kubeadm upgrade plan. This is the command. You can see the versions, current version and available versions on this system. Kubelet and API version, scheduler and controller manager, scheduler, kubeproxy, core DNS, etcd, all the current versions and available versions to displayed. You can use kubeadm upgrade apply v1.14.10 command. Command also is provided by this upgrade command. Here I am not using the v1.14.10 version. I am going to use v1.14.1 version to upgrade my kube cluster. Now I am giving the command to upgrade the controller components. For this sudo kubeadm upgrade apply v1.14.1 version. I am going to upgrade. Yes. You can observe the cluster version v1.13.12, kube ADM version v1.14.1. Here all are pre-pulled image for components. Successfully pulled the image for all the control plan components. Upgrade your static pod hosted. Static pod. etcd hash code was changed. Upgrading to TLS for etcd. It will take few minutes time. Static pod kube API server. Hash also changing. Kube scheduler. Not bootstrapping. Successful. Success. The cluster was upgraded to v1.14.1. Now we are successfully updated the controller components. We can see the here you can see kubelets if you have not already done. Now that your controller plan is upgraded, please proceed with the upgrading your kubelets if you have not already done so. Message showing now. I will check with command nodes. kubectl get nodes, but my version is showing v1.13.5 here. We are looking the your cluster was upgraded to v1.14.1, but here version was v1.13.5 is showing with kubectl get commands. Now after kubectl also installed upgraded, then only we can get the upgraded version. Now I am going to release the hold on the version of kubectl. Sudo apt unhold kubectl is the command to release the kubectl version. Cancel hold on kubectl. Now I will give the command to upgrade the kubectl. Sudo apt install -y kubectl equal to 1.14.1 -00. setting up kubectl 1.14, and you can observe these two lines. Kubectl successfully setted 1.14.1 version. Now I will give the hold command again to hold the latest version of kubectl. Sudo apt-mark hold kubectl is the command to hold the version. Now we will see with kubectl get nodes. Now version also same is there. Now I am going to upgrade the kubelet. First I will release the old version of kubelet with sudo apt-mark unhold kubelet. Already unhold. Then I am going to give the upgraded version to install sudo apt install -y kubelet equal to 1.14.1 is the command to install updated version of kubelet. Kubelet, unpacking kubelet and setting up kubelet. Now we will give the command to hold kubelet with the latest version. Sudo apt-mark hold kubelet. Then I will give the kubectl get nodes to list the nodes. You can see the master node change it to latest version, but our nodes are not changed the version. For this we need to upgrade the nodes also here. This is my node 1. I logged in to the node 1. First I will release the kubelet old version with sudo apt-mark unhold kubelet command. Then I will install the kubelet. The command sudo apt install -y kubelet equal to 1.14.1 is to install latest version, means upgraded version. Unpacking kubelet, setting up a kubelet as completed. Now hold the latest version with sudo apt-mark hold kubelet command. Now we move to master machine. This is my master machine. I will give the command kubectl get nodes. You can see the one node change it to a latest version, and one more node need to upgrade, and I will do this later. We can see this with sudo, not sudo. I upgraded my one more node also. I will check this kubectl get command. My 3 nodes are in same version. I will give the one more command kubectl version $short. We will check this client version and server version, both are same. Client version means kubectl version, then server version means Kubernetes API server. In this way we will upgrade the Kubernetes cluster. Now you can get the how to upgrade the Kubernetes cluster. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.